This is not a test. A child abduction emergency has been declared for the state of Maryland. At approximately 9:45 p.m. in Baltimore, Maryland, 8-year-old Sophia Rodriguez was abducted from the front yard of her home on the 1200 block of Elm Street. Sophia is a Hispanic-Mexican female, approximately 4 feet 2 inches tall, weighing 60 pounds, with long dark brown hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing blue jeans, a white t-shirt with a cartoon cat on the front, and distinctive bright pink socks. She was not wearing shoes at the time of her abduction. The suspect is believed to be a male, unknown age or race, driving a late 1990s to early 2000s model dark green or black Ford Ranger pickup truck. The truck has been described as having significant rust along the passenger side door and a loud muffler. The vehicle was last seen heading north on Elm Street. If you have any information regarding the whereabouts of Sophia Rodriguez or have seen the suspect or the vehicle described, you are urged to immediately call 911. Do not approach the suspect or the vehicle. We repeat, a child abduction emergency has been issued. The child's name is Sophia Rodriguez, an 8-year-old Hispanic-Mexican girl, last seen in Baltimore, Maryland. She was wearing blue jeans and bright pink socks. The suspect vehicle is a dark-colored Ford Ranger pickup truck. Please remain vigilant and report any sightings to law enforcement immediately. This alert will be updated as more information becomes available.
An administrative message from the Maryland State Police. The child abduction emergency issued for the state of Maryland for the abduction of 8-year-old Sophia Rodriguez has been canceled. At approximately 1:30 a.m., a citizen who received the initial alert spotted the suspect's vehicle, a dark green Ford Ranger pickup truck, at a gas station just off I-95 near the community of White Marsh. The citizen immediately contacted 911. Maryland State Police and Baltimore County Police responded swiftly. The suspect, now identified as 42-year-old Walter Bishop of no fixed address, was taken into custody without incident. Sophia Rodriguez was found safe inside the vehicle and has been medically evaluated and reunited with her family. We thank the public and our media partners for their vigilance and assistance in the safe recovery of Sophia. Your attentiveness directly led to her rescue. We repeat, the child abduction emergency has been cancelled, the child has been found safe, and the suspect is in custody. Please resume normal programming.